Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I am going to be showing you how to load a Mamiya RB67 bag. There's different versions of the bag. This is the regular 6x7 bag. There's a 6x8 bag and a 6x4.5 bag. I'm not sure if all of those magazines load the same way. This is just for the standard bag. If you have one of the other ones, you can just follow along and try to find out if it works for you or not. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the bag. This you do by pulling this little lever on the right side down and just opening it right up. Now what you're gonna do is take off this magazine out of the cassette. So basically all you do, you hold it like this and you just pull it out. That should be no problem. The next thing we're gonna do is take this reel right here and put it over to the right side, just like that. Now we take our roll of film. This is just a test roll that I still have lying around, and we just try to put it right in here. That this part is sometimes a little bit clunky, but once you get used to it, it shouldn't be a problem. You have to make sure that the black side of the paper is always on the outside, because this is where the negative is going to come out, and this is where we're going to expose it. So otherwise, if it was on this side, the black side, the negative would be facing here and the back paper would be over the negative, and you would not be able to expose the negative correctly. So make sure this black side is coming over here. Now what you want to do is you want to put this piece of the paper right in here. There's a little slot. Sometimes it can be a little bit annoying, but once you get used to it, it's not a problem usually. I like to make sure that I apply a little bit of pressure on it, just like that, so it gets a firm and nice grip on it. Now we can advance the film until we see this arrow, and we have to line up the black arrow with this arrow right here. There you go. Now we loaded it correctly. What you're gonna do now is just put the cassette back into the magazine, back into the cassette, close the bag, and advance right here. You can see this little window. Just advance the film, and you should be able to see, slowly but surely, a one popping off. So right now you know that you're ready to shoot. Once you've finished shooting your roll, all you're gonna do is keep on advancing the film until you feel no more resistance, just like that. And then once again, you just open the bag, and then you just take out the film, just like this. You're gonna seal the film and send it off to the lab, or develop it yourself, you know, if you're feeling like it. But yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions regarding the Mamiya RB67 in general, just leave them down in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more different camera reviews and also how-tos, so stay tuned. If you have any requests camera-wise, drop them down in the comments below as well. I might have that camera and do a review on it first, because I'm just going along with the flow. So yeah, thank you very much. Enjoy your RB67 or your RB67 magazine if you're using it on something else. And take care. Have a wonderful time. Thanks for spending the time with me. And yeah, thank you everybody. I will show you, since it's only a test film, I will show you what I was talking about earlier. So here we are still taking out the film, just like that. And now we can see this is the negative that's starting to appear. As I said, since it's just a test roll, I don't really care, but this is the actual negative from the film. This is some sort of like a Kodak safety film, so it looks kind of weird, but yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you earlier.